Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this mini hat keychain. It is a very simple and easy process. Please be till end of the video so you will understand. So let's start with the slip knot. Today I will be using 2.5 mm needle crochet hook. So here goes our slip knot. After slip knot, we will be making 3 chain crochet stitches. Once we are done with our 3 chain crochet stitches, see, now I'll join first and last stitch with a slip stitch. When we join our first and last stitch with a slip stitch, we get a very small tiny bit circle in between. See, I'm making a slip stitch now. Now see, we are getting a very tiny bit circle, a small hole in between. Okay, now whatever stitches we will be making in first round, all stitches we will be making by passing our crochet hook from inside of that circle. So we will make 15 double crochet stitches. Now see, I'll just pass my needle from inside of that circle and I'll make a double crochet stitch. If you people want to refer a tutorial video for double crochet stitch, a complete tutorial video, link is already there in description. You can just follow the video. I've already placed a tutorial video for double crochet stitches, and it is also with written instructions, written notes, and very simply explained, so you will understand it well. Okay, so getting back to video, we will make 15 double crochet stitches, and each time I am passing my needle from inside of that circle. I'll just complete this 15 and I'll just show you. Just remember, each stitch we have to make by passing a needle from inside of that circle. Okay, I'll just complete it and I'll show you. Now see, this is our first round completed. This is how it looks. Okay, now I've completed my 15 double crochet stitches. I'll join first and last stitch with the slip stitch to complete our first round. Okay, see, this is the first stitch. I'll be joining it with the slip stitch. Now our first round is complete. We will going forward to the second round. In second round, we will make two single crochet stitches in each single stitch. Just remember, 2 single crochet stitches in each single stitch. If you people want to refer a tutorial video for how to take a single crochet stitch also, that also tutorial video link you will be getting in the description, and it is also with written notes in English, so easy to understand. Okay, as I told you, we will be making 2 double single crochet stitches. 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch. So this we will do all round the circle. Okay, and once we are done, so we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. See, here we are done. So we'll join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch to complete a round. Okay, now here forward we will be making 5 rounds. Okay, and pattern for all 5 rounds, it is going to be same. We will make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch. By end we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. I'll just complete it and show you. So this is how it looks. I have completed 5 rounds. In each round I have made one single crochet stitch in each single stitch, and by the end I've joined first and the last stitch with a slip stitch. Now for next round, what we will do, we will make 5 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. Just remember, 5 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. Okay, I'll just complete this round and I'll show you. And as usual, we will be joining first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. So just remember, 5 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. I'll just complete it and I'll show it to you. See, here we have completed. This is how it looks. Okay, now it has taken a complete shape of a hat, mini hat. Okay, now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. After completion of this round, here we have done a slip stitch. Now we have completed this round. We will join a new yarn, different color yarn, and we will have 2 loops on the needle. Now we will pull that new yarn from those 2 loops and make a chain crochet. This is how we add new yarn to project whatever we are making. Okay, now here comes our last round. For last round we will make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch all around the hat. Okay, it is one single crochet stitch in each single stitch. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. And it's like this is a hat is complete. You can just join your keychain to it, and if you want you can make a lace all around, and you can decorate it as it's optional if you whatever decoration you want to do. Okay, I'll just complete this one single stitch and I'll show you the final piece. So this is how a mini hat keychain looks like. It's quite pretty. So if you like the video, please like, comment, share, and those who have not subscribed, I'll request you please subscribe to Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.